In today's video, I'm going to show you Wix AI versus Squarespace comparison. Wix AI is one of the most advanced AI website builders available. It can generate a complete website through a conversational chat, then allow you to tweak layouts, content, images, and even marketing tools using built-in AI features. It also includes AI for SEO, analytics, and content creation, making it a very comprehensive solution for building and managing a site from scratch. Squarespace's AI, Blueprint AI, takes a more guided approach. Instead of building everything instantly, it walks you through structured steps, choosing layouts, colors, and styles to assemble a polished site. Its AI is more focused on generating text like product descriptions or blog content rather than full site automation, which makes it simpler but less powerful than Wix's system. In terms of customization, Wix AI offers far more flexibility. After generating a site, you can freely move elements, change designs, and integrate hundreds of apps. Squarespace, however, uses a more controlled grid system, which limits flexibility but ensures cleaner, more professional looking designs with less effort. When it comes to features and scalability, Wix AI clearly leads. It provides advanced SEO tools, a large app marketplace, and deeper e-commerce capabilities. Squarespace covers all the essentials but is more limited in integrations and advanced features, though it often delivers better design consistency out of the box. Overall, Wix AI is better for users who want maximum control, automation, and scalability, while Squarespace is better for those who prefer a simpler, design-focused experience with guided setup and minimal complexity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.